this problem actually, I use this problem for interviewing teachers. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised to know a lot of teachers don't know how to solve this problem. That's too bad. Say, most of the adults, when they see this problem, they use algebra to do it. They set like see, for the first day, they set X, then they add 6 on the next days. So they start from the first day, they say X, and the second day, X plus 6. Of course, you can do that way, but it's taking a long time to actually reach the right answer, okay? So now I want to teach you a method that you can definitely understand it. As long as you have the basic, you know how to add, how to subtract, multiply, and divide, you'll be able to solve this problem, okay? See, later we're gonna get into more about the different sequence, okay? So there's something called arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic means that basically that's fundamental mathematics you learn in elementary school is about arithmetics, okay? So there's the arithmetic sequence. Means what? Means very easy stuff. Let me show you. How do I do drawing? Okay, here. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can keep going up like that, okay? So that's arithmetic sequence. Let me show you another sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And I can keep going on and on and on. So it's another arithmetic sequence. Okay. So how about this one? Let's start from 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. I can keep going like this. 15. Okay. So now you see 3 arithmetic sequence. Do you see any pattern? Do you see what's in common in these 3 sequences? Let me show you, okay? Let me show you. So this one, from 1 to 2, what is doing? It added 1 to it. From 2 to 3, it added 1 to it. Same thing from 3 to 4, it added 1 to it. From 4 to 5, it added 1 to it. You see the pattern? Okay. So the next one, you see from 2 to 4, it added 2 to it. From 4 to 6, same thing, added 2 and added 2. They're all added 2 to the next number, to get the next number, right? Added 2 to get to the next number. Added 2 to get to the next number. Same thing. And keep going like that, right? And same thing for the next sequence. From 3 to 5, you added 2. From 5 to 7, you added 2. But they don't have to be 1 or 2. They could be 3, right? So what if I see, I start from 3, add 3 to it, I get 6. Add another 3 to it, I get 9. Add another 3 to it, I get 12. And keep going on and on. I got 15. The next one is 18. Next one is 21. And keep going like that. So add 3 every time. So these are all called arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. Okay. Now I tell you a property of arithmetic sequence. Okay. So you guys know the word average, don't you? Do you know the word average? Yes? Okay. Average means you add all the numbers up and divided by how many numbers you have, right? For example, you want add 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. What do you get? You can do this one real quick, right? Add 1 to 2 to 3, add the first arithmetic sequence. All right, so you add all that, the first one. You add them up, what do you get? 15. Yeah, I see answers. 15, yes. So what is the average for that sequence? So the sum is 15. The total number of terms is 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. That's right. So how about the next one? Do the next one real quick. All right, the first one, the average is 3. Do the next one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What's the average of that sequence? So you add them up and divide it by 6, because this time you have 6 terms, right? All right, so the second one, the answer is 7, right? The average is 7. All right, to the next one. Okay, I'm gonna erase the last one. So we just look at 3 sequences. You're gonna see the pattern. So what's the average for the third sequence? All right, Benjamin got 9. All right, anybody else? All right, Victor got 9 as well. That's nice. All right, so the answer for the average for this sequence is 9. Now, do you see any pattern, everyone? See, the first sequence, we have 5 numbers. The average is the middle number. The second sequence, we have 6 numbers. The average is between the 2 middle numbers. See that? And the third sequence, we have 7 numbers, or we call it 7 terms in the sequence. And the average is also the middle number. You see that? Yeah? Yeah, so the average of each arithmetic sequence. So if the total number of terms is odd, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, and the 7, they're all odd numbers. The average is always the middle number. So if the total number of terms is even, so the second sequence is 6 terms, then the average is between the two middle numbers. See that? Let's use a easier sequence to verify that. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 3, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why don't we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we have 6 terms. What is the average? So you had 15. You have 15, you add 6 to 15, you got 21. 21 divided by 6 numbers. All right, good. I see 3.5. Exactly. 3.5 is right here, right? Between the two middle numbers. So what if I add another term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, 7 right here. So what's the average of this sequence? 4. Yay. Awesome. So you all get it. Y'all get it. Perfect. So now we know this property of this arithmetic sequence, right? So now let's go back to the problem. Let's see how we use that property to solve this problem. I'm gonna erase all this sequence and we focus on reading the problem one more time. Let's see if we have any idea now. All right. Any idea? Any idea at all? So time is a little bit over, okay? So I'll quickly show you the idea. The idea is we have 5 days. So here you go. So this guy ate 100 bananas in 5 days. What is the average number of banana he ate for each day? The average. You can do that one, right? Total is 100 and he ate for 5 days. So what is the average? 20. Yes? Total is 100 spread out in 5 days. The average is 100 divided by 5 is 20. That's right. Now, if you write May, let's see, May, right? It's a little bit hard to write. So May 1st, May 2nd, May 3rd, May 4th, May 5th. I know the average is the middle number, don't we? Because this, okay, first of all, you need to identify this is a arithmetic sequence because each day he ate 6 more. So the first day, however much he ate the first day, the next day he ate 6 more, 6 more, 6 more, keep going like that. So we determine it's an arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence, the average is the middle number. So that means on the 3rd day, he ate 20. So if on the 3rd day he ate 20, the next day, what happened next day? He ate 6 more, right? So you add 6 for the next day. So that will be 26. Then you add 6 more for the 5th day. Here you go. You got the answer, which is 32. 32 is the correct answer. Of course, I spent a lot of time explaining it because I explained a whole new concept to you, right? I explained the arithmetic sequence, how does that work, what the property, all those took a lot of time. But if you focus on the problem, if you already know that, so assume you already know that. So now you know it, right? Now you know it. And when you look at the problem, you see it is solvable. Not only solvable, it's actually pretty easy to solve, right? So think about it when we started Wednesday, May 1st and through the 5th each day. The average is 20, 20 corresponding to the middle day. Then we add 6 and add 6 again. You get the answer in like half a minute. Is that right? So keep in mind, this is actually an AMC 8 problem. AMC 8 problem. Okay, what does that mean? AMC 8 is for middle school students. Middle school means in most of the, I don't say most, in a lot of US schools, middle schools is from 6 to 8. Okay. From 6 to 8. So this problem is a AMC 8 problem. It's for middle school students. And a lot of students don't know how to do it. Now you guys are elementary school students. You guys are 5th graders, 6th graders. You already know how to solve it. And pretty fast, right? So this is the kind of thing that we're gonna teach you and you're gonna learn throughout this course. You're gonna learn some good concepts, and that doesn't go beyond the arithmetics. So all we did when I explained this arithmetic sequence, all I did is to use addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, division, and the average, the term average. Okay, then now you know a new concept called arithmetic sequence. And also you know the nice, beautiful properties of that sequence. And you apply those properties into solving a hard problem like this. Okay, so this is the kind of stuff we're gonna learn. We're gonna go over throughout the course. You're gonna learn a lot of good tricks like this, so you can solve harder problems. All right, that makes sense.